Welcome to October 2023 Phoenix Housing Market Update. Let's dive in. The following information is derived from the Arizona Regional MLS and the Cromford Report. Chances are you received a postcard that looks like this. All right, our current active listing count is up 2,000 homes since last month. We're sitting at currently 13,404 active listings, which is actually down 7,000 homes from last year. Our average days on market is about equal to last month, sitting at 56 days average on market. This last month, we had 5,500 closings, which is actually down month over month by about 500 homes. Our average sales price is sitting at $556,710, which is actually equal month over month and is actually significantly up year over year. Last year at this time, we were at $439,000 for our average sales price. Currently, we're sitting at 2.4 months of inventory, which is slightly up from last month. Last month, we were sitting at just shy of 2 months of inventory. So just a little bit of a bump. Our listing success rate, very important number, we're sitting at 77.6%. That means out of all the homes that are on the market, 77.6% of them are actually having success selling. That is actually about even month over month. Our sold price, list price to sold price ratio, we're still sitting at 98%, which is a good solid number. At teamgraff.com, we publish hyperlocal content daily, not just on teamgraff.com, but across all of our social media outlets. And there's no shortage of things happening in the Phoenix metro area. So let's highlight just a few of those stories right now. Number one, Arizona has 3 of the top 30 most sought after cities for renters. Can you guess what those 3 cities are? Chandler, Gilbert, and Peoria. Now, this article goes on to mention that the most impressive surge, now this was an article for a nationwide article, that Chandler had the most impressive surge, jumping 68 positions. So what do you think makes Chandler so special? Chandler is special, by the way. Article number 2. I love the title of this article. Through the Woof, a $6 million dog park. So currently, this is in North Scottsdale. So currently there's 140 pet-friendly restaurants in Scottsdale that welcome dogs. That's super important, and I think that's an ever-growing number for sure. So in North Scottsdale, there is a dog park that is calling for a $6 million projected budget, the Thompson Peak Dog Park. Now there's a lot of dog parks across Phoenix Metro, and specifically to this one being built, that's gonna be one heck of a dog park. So through the woof, and this article has a lot of other dog-related topics. One being how these apartments and communities are now building dog parks. I was recently at a high-rise building in Central Phoenix where they had a dog park on the roof, so a rooftop dog park. I mean, there's no shortage of how this is just exploding. Article number 3, trading rent for mortgage. Trading rent for mortgage buys less than 1,000 square feet in these 4 cities. So what this article is showcasing is that in the cities of Gilbert, Chandler, Glendale, Mesa, Phoenix, and Scottsdale, that on average, if you trade your rent for an equivalent mortgage, you're actually going to be trading 1,000 square feet. So you get 1,000 square foot smaller home that you could purchase. So interesting way to look at that. So trading rent for mortgage buys less than 1,000 square feet in these 4 Arizona cities. And it goes on to actually showcase how much exactly the square footages that you're going to be giving up. So interesting way to look at that, to secure actual ownership. Final article, here's how many Californians and others have moved to Arizona. So it's nobody questions that the majority of the influx has been from Californians. So roughly 64,000 Californians have moved to Arizona annually, each year from 2017 to when the last of this data was driven, 2021. Population growth plays a crucial role in bolstering Arizona's economic well-being. That seems like it's a given. However, there's more people, more industry, more businesses coming to Phoenix than ever. Just a little note downward in the article, it suggests number 2. Well, if they generalize by region, from the west, 84,927 annually are flowing into Phoenix Metro. And then from the Midwest, that's coming in at number 2, the Midwest, we've got 39,222 folks coming from the Midwest. And interesting. So you wonder what is driving all those folks to move to Arizona? Is it their jobs? Is it for retirement? It's a plethora of things. Interesting article nonetheless. Well, there you have it. October 2023 Phoenix Housing Market Update. I'm Scott Graff with Team Graff here at Real Broker, Phoenix native, hyperlocal expert. If you have any other questions regarding any of the information contained in this video, call me at 602-989-7900. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and check out some of these hyperlocal articles that are just super fun to read. We'll see you next month.